In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Formatter by Zapier in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to automation or looking to refine your workflow efficiency, Formatter by Zapier offers a variety of powerful tools to help you manage data without manual intervention. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Zapier website. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll want to get that set up. Otherwise, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. To keep things simple, log in using your Google account credentials, which is a quick and secure method that Zapier supports. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Zapier homepage. From here, we want to create a new Zap, so click on Create. It's generally located prominently on the main navigation pane, making it easy to find. After clicking Create, next you will need to click on Zaps. It's important to remember that a Zap is a workflow consisting of a trigger and one or more actions. Now let's set up a trigger. Click on Trigger and then select Gmail from the list of apps. This means that your Zap will be activated based on an event that occurs in Gmail. For instance, let's choose New Email to be our trigger event by clicking on it. Setting up a trigger like this ensures that your automation starts when a new email arrives. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on Test and continue with the selected record. Zapier will run a test to ensure your trigger is set correctly. Next, it's time to set up an action, which is the task that happens once your Zap is triggered. Click on Action from the flowchart and then select Formatter from the apps listed. Formatter by Zapier allows us to manipulate and transform data. After selecting Formatter, you will be prompted to choose an event, so click on Date, Time. This will configure your Zap to handle date and time formatting. To further customize, click on Choose Value, type in or select a specific date you want to format. Afterwards, select Format to decide how the date will appear. The flexibility here lets you choose exactly how you want your dates to be structured, making sure they fit seamlessly into your apps. Search for date to find the parameters, then click on Choose Value again and select the desired date format. The final steps are critical for making sure everything is set up correctly. Click on Test to carry out a final verification of your Zap to ensure that all configurations work smoothly. If the test is successful, you're almost there. Click on Publish to activate your Zap, and voila! You've set up your data formatting automation using Formatter by Zapier. Remember, with automation, you're only bound by your creativity. So take some time to explore other functions within Formatter and Zapier to enhance your productivity even further. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.